drive everything else one way or another.
Yeah.
I mean, I remember there were like 2 Porsches and stuff back then, but I was like, they're pretty much...
We had regular Porsche GT3s.
Oh, yeah,
These are
right.
RSs. All right, you're good to go, boss.
Cool. Thank you, good sir. We'll see you out there. So anyways, we'll go ahead and make sure it's recording before I start.
Well, yeah, I wanted to make sure we had it too, because it's kind of important.
Yeah, thank you, because I'd be like, where's my Nissan? Or excuse me, where's my Porsche? Nissan Porsche.
All right.
So we got a good to go, I see.
So go ahead and put your foot on the brake for me.
Yep.
And then, hold on 1 second, do not move yet.
Yep, no worries. This is definitely a different kind of transmission because I know it's like auto manual. It's like, is it in drive?
Vince, if I follow the GT3. So we're going to be following the Corvette.
Yep, sounds good.
So what's really fun about this car, Rick, this is the R35 V6 twin turbo. We're going to go right behind him.
Yep, 3.8 twin turbo V6.
Yep, and I think one of my favorite parts about this is this screen. And I know it sounds kind of a weird thing to say.
What's that again?
This screen right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is a throwback to the R34.
Yep, Doug said that too.
It's, what I love about it, dude, is you can go through and you can
G-meter
we've
and
got
all
a couple different, so you got cornering Gs. You can actually make your own customs.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You've got boost, trans temperature, engine oil. You can do it in a bar graph. We've got how much throttle you're using, how much brake you're using. Okay.
Yep. What I was going to say too is a lot of cars you can put a memory card in and record your lap time, so it's pretty sweet.
But like you've got that, right? So we can...
nice. I don't know if you want to compare it to the stock market, but just kidding.
Looks like you're trending.
Yeah. Look,
GME.
Bought, sell, bought, sell. All right, so
I'm going to run the boost gauge because I think that's kind of fun.
Oh, yes. Without any NOS needed. Yep, if you want to go ahead and just tell me when we're ready to roll.
Yep. So we'll let that Corvette get a little bit further ahead.
Sure.
And a
okay.
little traffic jam in. Start easily creeping out. Don't go too fast.
Yeah, like Jaws theme song in a way.
So what do you think so far?
Of all the cars?
This is the only really, like, what I would call a normal size car we have.
Yeah, I gotta say, it's just the layout of it feels so much more different. So the Nissan GTR here definitely has its own.
And actually, I'm gonna put the suspension.
Oh yeah, you can definitely feel a difference in the power. It seems like, to me personally, it looks like it's just trying to take its time a little bit more versus the Porsche.
So this is all-wheel drive.
Okay.
The engine is in the front, and you're gonna see something. So watch. Go through this corner and just stay 3 feet off, but add some throttle, and you can be pretty liberal with it in this car because that all-wheel drive. Feel that grip?
Yes.
Isn't that crazy?
Isn't it the computers that are motion sensing this?
It's a lot of that, but it's that all-wheel drive and the way Nissan has done it.
Yep, for
it's
sure.
very similar to a four-wheel drive system where there's a transfer case.
Yep. That makes it amazing if you think about it too.
It does. It allows them to keep the engine further back, unlike Audi, which has it all the way forward.
Right.
And still get that all-wheel drive.
Had its own good lead going.
Exactly.
Yep, like I say, you can definitely feel the turbo lag more on this for sure. Really exciting.
And it takes, you gotta muscle this one a little bit more, but it's very rewarding when you do.
Yeah, when you used to take these things around the Nürburgring, it was always like a champ, a champ,
oh, yeah.
a champ, a champ. It's like no stopping it.
And you'll feel, man, the computer helps, but it is you driving this car.
Right? It can tell.
No, it absolutely can.
Yeah, and that's what makes it a genius.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. All right, let's see what this bad boy's got.
Let's get there.
Is bad on this one either, that all-wheel drive, you're right.
Yep. So I put our suspension into R mode.
Right.
Which firms it up and it makes it a much better car to drive.
Definitely. Yeah, I can definitely feel this thing more better balanced, like they put the weight literally right in the middle.
And you feel how sure-footed it is? Mm-hmm. Like at no point is it big. You're like, yeah, I got grip and we can go.
Right.
Now watch this. Melt off that brake pedal, just coast.
Okay.
And just turn the wheel. Watch how the all-wheel drive works. And if we go right back to that gas and we give it just a little bit.
Yep, I can feel it now. You're so
sticks.
right.
It's so nice.
Because yeah, when I'm used to using the VAC engine cars and stuff, it's like, oh yeah.
This is it's a little bit more familiar.
For sure. Hello, Corvette.
We may have to get a past this Corvette. I don't know. Turn right in tight.
Right.
And see how that he had to go out to make the corner. The all-wheel drive is just, you know, the front end's going like this, the rear end's pushing, and it's just fun, man. The dynamics of all-wheel drive really help. Of course,
Right.
it comes at a cost. The weight.
Yep.
You have line loss.
For sure.
So come out just a little bit wider through here.
Yep. It looks like they're trying to pass up there, so I was just waiting for it.
Yep.
So they'll give us clear, right?
And we're going to go right by. Yep, we're good to go. Thank you very much, White Ferrari. We're going. Boom, let's go.
I wish I could talk and be like, thank you as well. They
He
understand you
gets,
guys.
he gets it through me.
Yeah, definitely wish I could throw on flashers as like courtesy or something.
Those have different meanings with us, so do not do that.
Right.
Do that. So very good. And we're going to give it a little more throttle.
Okay.
How fun is this through the corners with the all-wheel drive? See how it just is like,
Oh my gosh,
it's
you're
there
so
for you
right.
the whole time.
It's like playing follow the leader. Like I'm gonna outclass this teacher and being the
So
student.
and what's nice is when you drive the Lambos, it's going to be cool. Let's go. Full power, baby.
Got it, dude.
Full
Do
power,
it.
baby.
Excellent. Yeah.
Very smooth, very nice.
Yeah, you can totally tell I'm used to wanting to hit in the brakes as soon as I get a corner, not to try to drift it, but just to be able to get that
This
feel.
thing can drift, but not with the all-wheel drive settings
Right.
and the tires we run. It just won't want to do it.
For sure.
See, I mean, look at it.
just
You're just
blows me away.
full send and it's having fun.
I was gonna say, I wish I gave more than 3 laps in this.
I think it's cool how you like this car because I love this car.
Yeah, you are not kidding about it being very underrated.
It is, and man, it kicks ass.
Yeah, because a lot of people think, oh, jab crap. It's like, you might be surprised.
Don't even lift, just turn. It's just grip for days, man.
For sure.
And now you know why they call it Godzilla. A little bit more brake for me. And turn it over there. I mean, right? Is that not so fun?
Yes, the all-wheel drive is just making me drool right now.
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah, I'm sure I could just spend all day driving this one.
And the thing is, like, it could be a blizzard out and it's still good.
Yep, it's like
this
the
is such a
NSX.
Practical car.
For sure. It's like a Honda NSX
Any
or
group
Acura.
of not practical cars.
Yes.
You know what's cool is that Corvette's going to come in and we're just going to go right into that.
Yep, for sure. I always like having one of those guys you follow with to be able to have a good time with. Not
Coming
worry
on
about-
this straight for the last time, we'll be pitting in at the end.
Yep.
You just do what you've been doing. Go right down, and at that yellow, let's lift up. There we go. Here we go.
That's what I'm talking about.
Dude, that is good, man.
Definitely getting the system down for sure.
Good. You're getting much more comfortable, and I love seeing that.
Yep.
We're gonna go right through the boot.
Yeah,
You know,
one thing I was gonna say too is that's what I thought is just get the other ones out and just get a feel for it. Because I want to that's why I want to do the entire fleet so I can feel more comfortable.
I mean, you're getting up near 140 by the time we're lifting, and I know you're not looking. I can see, but dude, you're just nice. You're relaxed. You're breathing.
Yes.
And that's how you do this, and you are successful. Is by not getting worked up and just enjoying that and breathing. And it's a Sunday drive. I mean, literally.
Exactly.
It is a Sunday drive, but we're gonna drive like we're just.
Oh, you're taking that analogy I put out. Nice. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this was a lot of fun. This GTR
Unexpected, right?
Yeah, and you wouldn't think because you think, oh yeah, it's another GTR, right? Surprise. I love it. And they're very affordable too.
Dude, a used one is like absolutely doable.
Right.
You could put snow tires on it, and you've got an absolute hoon machine in the winter.
All right. Thank you.
And the fun thing is, like, you've got a usable back seat, a usable trunk,
That's right.
you know?
For sure. So, and that's what it's about, is making it more of a family commuter and going
Well,
from there.
I mean,
so.
think about this, right? A lot like the Porsches, right? That is a regular sized car.
Yep.
You could go kick ass on the track and then go get groceries. Same sort of scenario here.
No doubt. But yeah, I got to tell you though, this has just been so mind blowing. Just you would not expect it.
Dude, I'm so happy you're having a good time. You have no idea.
Yeah, and I appreciate having you too. Just had to let the charger go. I was like,
And then stop here.
okay.
And then
Yeah, go ahead, help yourself.
Very
Probably gets
good.
boring just